Hey everybody, welcome to week 15. I can't believe it. Oh, it's just speeding toward the end. Let's get started. This is going to be a writing week for you. And we will be we're going to start the slide into the end of the semester. So the first thing I'm going to talk to you about is Never a Day Without a Line, Writer's Notebook Daily Writing. This week, it's all you. All your choice. On the discussion board, I did link a blog post that has a bunch of writing prompts. If you'd like to look at that, you can. Or you can Google your own. They're very easy to find if you just Google writing prompts. But you get to choose. You can do whatever you want in the writing, in the oh my gosh, Never a Day Without a Line. It's all up to you. It's all up to you for this week. Monday is going to be figuring out how to get your essay done day. So you will be working on polishing and getting that essay perfect. It's worth 30% of your grade, so you're going to want to have it be very coherent, very readable. You want your grammar to be perfect. You want your punctuation to be perfect. You want your citations to be perfect. You want to have your quotes, in-text quotes, and in-text citations to be perfect. And you want it to have a really clear thesis, clear claim, and a very well-supported claim. Make sure that you've polished, and you're turning in the perfect paper. A lot of you are doing great on this, and I'm excited to read your final drafts. All right, so, this is going to be due on Tuesday at 8 a.m. There is no wiggle room. Things are going to close at the due date for the rest of the semester. So make sure you have your essay done by 8 o'clock on Tuesday morning. Okay? And then on Tuesday, you're going to start your last portfolio project. So Monday, I have posted on Monday some videos, 2 videos that go over the direction sheet for your portfolio project. And you're going to start choosing a writing experience, and that is going to be the first thing that you're going to do on Tuesday. You're going to choose that writing experience, and you're going to submit a formal business proposal in a letter form asking me for permission to do the experience that you would like to do. Please note that I need the letter in order for you to do the project. So make sure you get your letter done and that it's polished and perfect when you turn it in to me, because that is going to be part of the last 20% of your grade. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure that that's perfect as well. On Wednesday and Thursday, these are writing days. You're going to be writing your experience. Whatever you choose to do, you're going to be working on that. And then on Friday morning at 8 o'clock, you will post your rough draft to the discussion board for peer review. And that is due at 8 o'clock a.m. on Tuesday morning. So you're going to have your draft posted on Friday morning at 8 a.m. So the rest of your group, if they choose to get started on Friday, they can get started on Friday. They will also have Monday to work on that. And then all of the reviews need to be done, posted, ready to go by Tuesday morning at 8 a.m. And the discussion board will close at 8 a.m. on Tuesday morning. So then, that is what you're doing this week. That's pretty much it, is working on your new writing experience and getting your persuasive essay turned in. So I am looking forward to the week. I will see you in the next presentation.